Hello, Colorado. This is Cleet Crocker. I'm here. It is the 23rd of December right now. I'm at Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. The big question is, when is the right time to buy? Should I buy today? Should I wait till after the first of the year? Well, here's a secret for you. At the end of the year, and I'm really talking from now, we're talking the day after Christmas, through that entire week, we have a clearance sale that's going on. Most retailers will have it going on, but at Appliance Factory, they do it like nobody else. So let me just give you an example. I want to give you the top 5 things that I think are just going to blow out the doors on that day. Here's one of them. This is a side-by-side refrigerator, and they've got this in different models and different brands, but they're going to sell the ones out of the store for $6.99. That's right. A side-by-side refrigerator, a full-size side-by-side refrigerator. It's going to go down to $6.99, and you're used to seeing these things at over $1,000. Let's go look at something else. Okay, here's another one. I talked about this the other day in one of the videos, but this one's still the best still on the floor. There is a bunch of French door refrigerators that were purchased with slight minor imperfections on the back side, on the side. You may not even be able to find them. This is all brand new stuff with the same factory warranty it started off with. It all comes in a box, and they have French doors in Whirlpool and KitchenAid. I know some of these prices go up to 50% off. It is absolutely the best deal that's on the floor, and you can get that today. You don't have to wait. Supplies are limited, so I would get in the sooner the better. All right, let's go look at something else. Okay, Colorado, this one's really exciting. I'm going to talk to you about dishwashers now. This is a GE Profile dishwasher. As you know, it goes GE and GE Profile in their brands. GE Profile is the very best stuff. Dishwashers that are over $1,000. What's the special going on? It is $4.99. It's over half price for this dishwasher. Come and ask them for the half price GE Profile. They have plenty in stock. They're ready to go now. All right, Colorado, this one is really good. We're talking about luxury washers and dryers. This is, let me read you the model number so you can look it up. It's a WM9000 HVA and a DLEX 9000V. That is like the Cadillac of washers and dryers. This is a front load. Look how big this is. Its normal suggested price is $19.79. We typically run this on sale for $11.99. But for the end of the year, which you can get right now, they're $8.99.99 a piece. It's a huge deal. You're not going to find this anywhere else. It's a big one. I suggest if you want the last washer and dryer you'll want to buy, come in and get this one. Okay, so this is another one, a really good deal, another luxury set. This is a high efficiency washer. It's a high efficiency dryer. This is a WT7600 in this color. This is really, really nice. It's really pristine. It's huge on the inside. It is on sale for $799.99. Same thing with the dryer. Now, here's where you can get a really cool deal. If you would like this in the older model for the dryer, then the set goes down to $5.99 each. It's a slightly different color, but virtually the same thing. And you're going to get this year's model of the washer, last year's model of the dryer, and it's $5.99. Luxury for $5.99. That's what you usually get those stick in the tubs with. Instead, you're going to get luxury this time. Folks, it is time to come in, but you want the best day to come in? It's on December the 26th. We even have more stuff going on that day. December the 26th, the day after Christmas. You know, when you're out there all chasing the lines, getting your refunds for the stuff you didn't want, come into Appliance Factory and get the stuff you really did want. All right, so just one last thing I want to talk to you about. Did you know that they're running 40 to 80% off right now? There is a ton of things up to 40 to 80% off. I'm talking in refrigeration, in cooking, in dishwashers. What you need to do is come in and find what you're looking for and ask them for the nearest thing that would get you within those price thresholds. It is terrific. This is the year-end clearance going on. Not only do we have the best product at the best pricing, but we've got discounts that you can't get it anywhere else. When's the last time you went into a place and saw 40 to 80% off?